Hi, I'm Vielka, and I'm stepping out here on the balcony in New York City, enjoying this hot weather and thinking of you, my speakers, my singers, my teachers, anybody who's interested in learning more about voice as a singer, as a speaker, as an educator. This is what I have coming for you. Hot in the summer is my vocal power toolkit. I am so excited for you because I have been working on this for decades, and I have cracked the code and boiled it down into really simple steps that even my 3-year-old students can do. This is going to give you the clarity in your voice, the power that you need in your voice, the flexibility, the strength, the endurance to go the vocal distance, which you are going to need. Speakers, I am looking at you and I'm thinking, if you are finding that you are losing your voice after you are on stage within 10 minutes, within 30 minutes, you've got some potential there to really work out your voice in a way that's going to help you be able to do it without losing your voice, okay? For my singers, this is going to boil down vocal technique in a way that has not been done before, or it's just so easy. It's easy to just, as a process of elimination, go through the vocal power tools once you've learned how to do these moves. They're so easy to do in your body that you're going to be like looking at a passage where you have a trouble spot and you're going to apply the tools and it's going to work out for you. So awesome. It's so much easier. And for my educators, those of you who are my music teachers, voice teachers, piano teachers, any sort of teacher who is looking to simplify voice, to make it simple, to make it fun, to make it engaging, and really get a level of clarity of tone. Tone transformation is what I'm talking about here. And what I mean is that power, the color of your voice. These are the things that you're going to be able to do after you learn these tools. And I'm throwing in a ton of bonuses for those who come to this specific cohort. I am just so excited to get this work out after crafting it for so long that I'm going to be giving you so much good stuff. So here's what I'm going to do. On Tuesday, August 5th, I'm going to do an info session at 11 a.m. That's going to be a great place to come. I'll give you a little overview and I'll be there for your Q&A. Just send me your questions. I'll give you the answers, okay? Even if you can't make it live, just like write in, let us know. We can send you the replay. We'll have that for you so that you have a little more information, whatever it is you need to know so that you understand how valuable this is going to be. And then right away, starting the next day, Wednesday, August 6th to Friday, August 8th, from 9 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. Eastern. That is going to be our time together live on Zoom, going over these foundational, functional vocal power tools that are going to open up a whole new world for you. And I cannot wait because I already know what they do. I have been using them with my young singers, with my adult singers, with my speakers, from beginners to Broadway pros, to speakers, to politicians, to all kinds of people have used these with a lot of success. And the main thing you're going to walk away with is a level of comfort and confidence that you didn't have before. My teachers, it's going to boil this down. You're going to have breakthroughs that you didn't even know your students could have. That's what's going to happen for you. And I stand by this work. I've tested it. I have taken all the hard part out of it for you. Like literally, you're going to show up. You're going to learn how to do it. You're going to get it in your body. I'm going to have a breakdown for you. You're going to get the replay, and I'm going to give you other bonuses too. And you're going to have the online course. There's going to be a private network that you're going to open the door and get into so that you can have that available for you and to really keep the momentum going. Because not only do I want to do a workshop where it's just for a few days and then download, which is really important to have that immersion, but then I want to really keep up the momentum because we know that any sort of muscle training requires consistency. So to have that consistency, I feel like it's very important to have personal feedback and effective guidance. And you're going to get both. You're going to get the effective guidance live. You're going to have it on online courses. And then you're going to have this personal feedback component by being a member in the club, which is going to be part of a bonus for you, where you can be writing in questions, and we're going to have monthly workshops that are going to be open to you to continue the conversation, where you can literally show up and be like, I don't understand this, or hey, can you check out my voice here, or questions that you have, really anything I can offer you. I'm just going to be there to support you. So I'm so excited. Please, whatever questions, suggestions, come to the info session, write to the team, and sign up. This is going to be totally worth it. All right, looking forward to it, and enjoy your summer day.